Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop. So today we are back at Sandy Lane. What we're going to do is explore some more of what Sandy Lane's got to offer. We only just touched on the surface somewhere over there before. So right now we're going to go somewhere over there, along the top of here. There's loads of bumps and jumps and everything else. We've got a crawler with us that we've brought the back axle on the way here. We've got the mega size slash, we've got the modded slash, we've got the brand new slash, and we got this helium thing that just comes out with us now and again. So there you go, guys. What I'll do is stitch it all together, put it on here for you guys to see. See you in a bit. RC Workshop on the hill climb for the win. Oh! Yeah, boy. Sick, that's gonna look awesome. Woo! That's cool, man. Oh! Bokey! Bokey! Oh, oh. Oh! Isabel's rolling back to spot 8.
Oh, look at that battle!
Try again. The shoes.
Yeah.
Like shoes, like the way we had been over.
Let's do that then.
Isabel on the crawler. No chance. Two-wheel drive, it's broke. Oh, what a... then guys, so there you have it. 3 broken Traxxas Slash. Where do you start? Start with this one. You can't actually see the damage, but he's broke a spur, he's broke a pinion, and his speed control's come loose. So that's at it, that's completely out. This one, snapped an arm, 3 shock bodies. I really don't rate Traxxas shock bodies, man. Upgrade them, guys, upgrade them. And then this one, literally just a screw, nice and easy. There you go again, guys. So please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.